let's do slime ratings. So all of these are from my art club. I also made another short saying everything else that I made. So the first thing is these galaxy slime that I made today. And I think I will rate this like a 10 out of 10 because it's really nice, really good, and still amazing. I want to do kinetic sand, but that's going to be too messy. So let's do this moon sand that we made. Hold on. Okay, I couldn't get all of it out, but I think I will rate this like a 5 or something because it is really good, but makes my hands feel very oily after playing with it and just don't like the texture at all. So that's all my slime ratings. Yeah, so bye guys.